Hey guys, Ben here, coming at you with another video from Windsor, Ontario, Canada, about what to buy and sell on your local market, like Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, Facebook groups. Today we have car ramps, and these are Pro Ramp brand plastic heavy duty ones, 6.5 inches high. They hold, sorry, bug in my mouth. They hold 3,000 pounds a piece, 6,000 total, and I got them for $5 a pair. I found them at a garage sale, big multi-family garage sale, and yeah, got them in like a bundle for $5. You can get these at thrift stores sometimes too, but garage sales mainly. People with old ones. Plastic ones are harder to find. The metal ones are still good though. Just as long as they have no dents in them, too much rust, you know, where it's like rusted through, too many big dings. The plastic ones, just make sure there's no cracks, you know, not too worn down, or basically there's no cracks, you know, which there shouldn't be if they can hold 3,000 pounds. But you want to take a look anyway. And yeah, if the like the metal ones are too rusted, then yeah, they're just worth a lot less. It's like the nicer they look, the more paint they have on them, the more they're worth. And you only want to pay like, and I've paid as low as $2 for a pair. Like $2 to like these, you could pay $10 for them. They even justify 15. If it's like a new one, new set, you can pay a little more for it. But you should go quick, somewhat. Someone will eventually want these. They will need these, and who wants to buy new ones? You know, good used pair. These are light. They're not gonna rust. These are quality. I already listed them, and I had, I think, about 3 people contact me for them already. No one's like confirmed anything. You get a lot of spam on Facebook with people just saying they want something or accidentally clicking, "Is this available?" when they're just checking it out. So yeah. But I listed these for $40, and I'm gonna take like 30, maybe 25. So yeah, a good $20 profit minimum, I think. Hopefully a full price 40, so a $35 profit. And yeah, I'm just dumping these right back on Facebook Marketplace, Facebook groups. And these are a brand name, Pro Ramp. I guess the brand name doesn't really matter as long as it's their quality. They just look good, you know. That's all that matters, I think. Unless it's like a real high recognizable name brand, then that probably bring a little more money. And when I list these, I would just list them like a picture like that, like on a side angle, showing kind of everything. Maybe like that, showing the front, showing the sides, and then flip them upside down, show this, and maybe take a picture of the back of them, and that's it. Like 6 pictures, 5-6 pictures. And yeah, in the listing itself I put how tall they are. These are 6.5 inches. And then I put the weight load of them. So 6,000 pounds total, 3,000 each. I always put that in the description, just so people don't have to ask. Everything's right there for them. You know everything about it. Just easy, do you want them or not? So yeah, that's it. Car ramps sell pretty well. Fit the criteria of a large item that someone wouldn't want to pay full price for. That's too much to ship. So these are quality, they last a long time, they're durable, good resale item. So make sure to like the video, comment, subscribe, and yeah, be on the lookout for more videos like this about what to buy and sell in your local market. Alright, this has been. Peace.